Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a rule in Gmail to move emails automatically. It will be really simple and easy. So first of all, just open your Gmail. So now what you have to do is click on the email that you want to copy the informations or you want to move in another label. So just go ahead and copy this. Now just simply click on filter section or option here at the upper part of your screen and you want to paste this on the from section. So just go ahead and put the subject if you want. It has the words, doesn't have the size, is it between the search. Okay, so just go ahead and do that, and once you've done that, just go ahead and click on create filter. Now check the box before I skip the inbox. Also check the apply the label and click the drop down arrow. If you want to create a new label, just go ahead and click new label, but if you want to choose the labels that you already have, just go ahead and choose on it. I'm just gonna create a new label here. Click on this create. When we click on it, you can see all of the emails from that email. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create a rule in Gmail to move emails automatically. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.